Hi everyone, it is so good to see you all again. And if you're new here, my name is Felicia. Welcome. In today's video, I am continuing my fall decorating series, and this will be part 4. And I am going to be decorating my refrigerator. And I am going to be decking it out for the fall on top, and I'm taking you all along with me. And right here, what you're seeing in my background is I'm outside on this beautiful fall day, and we have a light wind blowing, even though the temperatures are a little bit higher. But I wanted you to see this beautiful fall chrysanthemum that is growing in our landscape, and we've had it for about maybe 3 to 4 years. And so, without further ado, let's get started.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet.
Before we start decorating, I'm just showing you the items that I have pulled to create the vignette on top of my refrigerator. And as you can see, I have a collection of pumpkins. I have my squirrel here. I also have some haystacks, as you can see right here, that I'm going to be using. I also have this sign, this little miniature chalkboard, and I have used that before. I also have this little pumpkin here in the neutral rustic orange that says Happy Harvest. I'm also going to be using this white tray that you see right here. And of course, I have to have some greenery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tray here. I'm just giving you a view, because it is fairly long here. And I'm just going to fill this with some greenery, and you will see as this project progresses that I'm going to start layering this as well. And so let's get started. So this is the area that we're going to be decorating today, and I'm just giving you a view on top of my refrigerator here. Now this is a new refrigerator, so I don't have as much space on top as the other refrigerator that we had, because it was humongous. I mean, I could have sat up here. And so I'm going to have to work with the space that I have, but I still have enough room to decorate this refrigerator on top. So I have installed this pampas grass arrangement. So now I am going to show you how I do a quick DIY in layering this white tray. I am adding a green garland at the base, and then I'm adding my greenery floral picks. So now I'm going to add this squirrel, and I've already placed a riser in the back here, and I'm just going to sit the squirrel right on top of that riser to give him some height. So it appears that he is sneaking in the grass. That's the story I'm telling myself. Doesn't he look good sitting up there in all that greenery? And then I'm just going to add in the pumpkins throughout. And I'm just going to randomly place these throughout here, mixing the colors. But I have more of the white pumpkins here than I do the orange. So I'm just going to add these throughout. So I'm going to add an orange one here. There's no rhyme or reason of how I'm placing these. I'm just kind of making them look like a pumpkin patch, so to speak. And I am using different sizes. As you notice here, I have the small size. I have this size. You see how they're different? And so that makes a big difference too. So you just place those throughout. And I have 5, so I'm following the Decor rule of decorating in odd numbers. So I'm going to try to add 7 altogether. I think that's what we're going to do here. So I'm going to put this one on the edge here, and that's going to give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and so now what I'm going to do is, I'm just showing you a little closer look. I'm going to take you up and let you see how it looks on top of the refrigerator. So I'm just giving you a little closer look because off distance it probably didn't look as good. So that's how it looks, you guys. There's my buddy. So now we have added this tray along with the pumpkins and my little buddy right there. So I'm just giving you a little closer view of what it's looking like. And then I added some extra greenery on the side to cover up that little section, that little gap right there between the refrigerator and the cabinets. And so we're going to continue layering this vignette. So stay tuned. So now I have added this black miniature chalkboard here to give it some visual interest, and then I added this Happy Harvest sign so there will be a contrast between the black and the orange and the white cabinets there. I think it gives it more visual interest. I've also added the additional pumpkins, one on the side here. Now I have decided to use this lantern, so I'm going to add this to the side, and I think this is going to complete my vignette. So now I have added in the lantern. Doesn't it look beautiful? And so now I want to address this plain white section of the wall. This just won't do. So I think I'm going to add a wreath there, and then we'll be finished. So this is the wreath I am going to add in that little white section of the wall. And it's so amazing how you start creating a vignette and it leads to something else. So let's go ahead and get this installed. So I found these lights in my stash and I'm going to add them into the greenery that's in the tray. I think this will lighten it up in that section. Okay, so I've added the lights, and so now I am going to give you a final reveal. Okay guys, this concludes my video for today, and this was so much fun hanging out with each and every one of you. And if you like what you saw in this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new and stopping in for the very first time and you would like to become a part of the Felicia by the Seasons family, just click that subscribe button and welcome to the family. So until the next video, happy decorating. Bye-bye.